What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna go pick up a motorcycle my coworker said I could have. She said it has been sitting up for about 40 years. She's not really sure what kind it is, but she said I could have it if I came and picked it up. So we are on our way right now to her house to go see what kind of bike it is. So once I get over there, I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like.
Suzuki, cool.
I don't know where
That's
the
cool,
key
man.
is.
You don't know where the key? We can try to get it. That's so cool. Here, look at this.
All right, guys, we finally got the bike home and it's in the garage. Just probably gonna go around and hit it with some WD-40, try to clean it up a little bit, and then probably hit it with some steel wool and kind of see some of the rust build up all the way across it. But at least it's home. So I got the plugs soaking right now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out after a few more minutes. Get some Marvel mystery oil down on top of the piston, and we'll let that soak for a little bit. But yep, it's finally home. Well, the plugs don't look terrible. All right, so I got both spark plugs out now. I'm gonna dump some of this Marvel down into the cylinder. Hopefully it'll clean it up a little bit.
May have to open this up. Yeah. All right, hold it.
And go ahead and try to remove this seat so we can get down onto the top of the motor, pull the carbs off. Alright.
The seat can looks decent.
Dirt dauber. Throw that out. Go ahead and remove the tank now. Pull that bolt off. All right. All right, now we should be able to get to the carbs a little bit better and get that Marvel down on the top of the cylinder a little bit better now that we got some more room.
I think so. It looks pretty decent. You going in?
Yeah.
Drop it. Go ahead and remove the cap on the other side.
Yeah, it's off. Yeah, it looks like pretty fresh oil.
Nah, it's thick.
All right, got the old oil drained. Go ahead and fill this up with some automatic transmission fluid. Whoop, hopefully I don't spill it everywhere. Just gonna top this completely off, and it'll help clean it up a little bit on the inside.
get some WD-40. Crack.
Got the old filter.
Yeah, it's falling to pieces. It's deteriorated. Let's see what we got here. Easy.
Does not look very good.
A little bit of corrosion.
All right, go for it.
Ah,
Nice.
it broke loose. Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Look at that. You ready?
All right, kick it down. You got it unlocked.
Oh yeah, it's gonna. I never knew guys could do that.